Today we are taking the Maserati Ghibli SQ4 out and we're putting it against, yes, I know it's an unfair match, but we're putting it against our 5.2 liter V10 Audi R8. Guys, it is all-wheel drive, the Ghibli's all-wheel drive, so we figured it'd be fun to just put the two together. We like to see how our cars fare against other people's and other manufacturers. So this is why we're doing this, guys, and you get the benefit and educational purposes of knowing how a V6 twin-turbo Ghibli fares against an Audi R8. So just like that, let's get right into this race. Enjoy.
Sport mode engaged. Ass whooping time.
All right, so we're about to roll a 20, both the top of their line models. We're about to see how this goes.
Round one, fight!
I'm in danger!
There the R8 goes! There he goes! There he goes! Oh my God! Unstoppable! Unstoppable!
Here we go.
That was ridiculous.
Was it a whooping?
It was pretty much whooping. I was like, on the go, the car was like, it was there, and then all of a sudden the R8 was like, what gear were you in?
I think I was in third, maybe, or second. I don't know. I didn't check.
I started in third, and then I was probably around like 3,500 RPMs. And I was like, it hung in there for like that initial jump, and the R8 just gone. But all right, so 60 roll up next. Yep. And we'll see how it goes.
I mean, to be honest, this is really just us kind of testing. We have, we like to run all the supercars. I don't really know if you call a Ghibli a supercar, but we really do enjoy, you know, testing all of these cars against each other. It's just a fun experience, and you really like to see which companies have to offer and how they match up against each other.
That R8 dual clutch 5.2 liter V10 just floats away, guys. And the crazy thing is there's cars that outperform that car even.
Okay, we're gonna do it in manual mode this time. Control those clutches, so.
Round two, fight!
All right, guys, so a 60 roll versus R8 and Ghibli.
Probably a whooping again. As expected, right? As expected.
Okay, let's go.
Subscribe, motherfucker!
That was a third gear. We were right around 4,000, maybe 3,800 RPM, if I'm not mistaken. If you guys see it in the video, correct me, but it's somewhere around there. But that was a third gear start. That's a massacre, dude. That was a...
I can't see you because I'm trying to keep the camera.
It's third gear. I was probably around 3,800 RPMs. I was trying to keep them really high just so I can maybe get that initial like jump off of you. That it just floats away. Again, there's no comparison between these cars.
So yeah, we that was a third gear race, and we were actually, I think, right around 6,000 RPMs. And I don't know if you guys don't know that the R8 does redline around 10,000 RPMs. So you're gonna get that really massive power increase in between 5,500 and 8,000. And It shows.
5.2 liter naturally aspirated V10 with a dual clutch transmission. Yeah, there's no question. And we are in a 3 liter twin turbo V6. The engine and the technology that Audi brings to the table is unparalleled compared to what Maserati brings. So you heard what I said at the beginning of the video. It was an absolute massacre, and that's what it was, and that's what you're gonna get from the Audi R8. It's a 5.2 liter naturally aspirated V10. It's all-wheel drive, making 525 horsepower. We're going against an all-wheel drive Ghibli twin turbo V6. It is a 3 liter, guys, but guys, again, the Ghibli is making 410 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. So this is something that we kind of thought, hey, it's got 400 horsepower, it's got 400 pound-feet of torque, and we thought that, hey, both being all-wheel drive, it might be somewhat of an interesting race. And when you watch the video, you can kind of see that the Ghibli gave it a little bit of a challenge in the beginning, but guys, the R8 is what the R8 is. It's a dual clutch, it's too smooth, it's too much of a beast to handle. So yeah, guys, just like that, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check out the next video right here.